What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with Average Joe Cards. Today I'm very excited to be bringing you guys a whole box, right? Whole box of cellos, 15 cards per pack. These are the ones with 3 pinks per pack. So that's going to be very fun to get into. Surprisingly really heavy for how small it is. But yeah, let's get into this. I am really pumped to be doing this. I've been waiting for this for a while, right? Waiting to find one of these and really get to it. A little behind on the big box breaks and stuff like that. Also gonna have a mega that I have up there in the back. Gonna be doing that probably later today, so stay tuned for that, and let's get right into it. Don't forget, if you guys aren't already following, go follow us up at Average Joe Cards. Put out anything that I don't put. Sometimes I open up some blasters that you see in the back over there. I open them up and, there aren't huge hits that, I think are YouTube worthy and stuff like that. So they don't go up. Let's see. Okay, yeah, no, they're all here. Sorry about the radio silence for a second. Had to double check everything's here. All right, so let's do it. Let's get started. So there it is. That's what it looks like. So let's go. 12 of these. 12 of these inside of here. 15 cards per pack. So as you guys can see, it's a ton of packs. Last video I did, I think I opened up 6 of these and had some really good luck. So hopefully we can do the same. Let's get right into it. It's a lot of packs to open. As you guys know, get that clean break. And for those of you who've seen some of my videos in the past, you guys know I'm kind of just gonna put these pinks off to the side right there, and I'll open them up at the end. I want to be just excited as you guys, kind of see what I get out of those. Hopefully they're big hits. That's what everyone's rooting for, right? All right, so first off, let's get into it with Willie Cauley-Stein. All right, got a silver already. Dario Saric, Mason Plumlee, Taurean Prince for the Brooklyn, and Troy Brown. Troy Brown silver. Dr. J, Julius Erving, Hall of Fame. Let's get into it. Not bad. First pack, hit a silver. Put that down there. All right. Let's see what we're working with. No color. Trae Young. I think this is the first Trae Young I hit. Jonas Valanciunas. Luka. There you go. Nice Luka base. This is the first Luka base I hit out of this product, Mosaic at least. So looking really nice. Moses Malone, old school. Got a few of those. And Nicola Melli, wrong Pelican. Definitely the wrong Pelican. Sometimes Brandon Ingram comes up and we're like, wrong Pelican. No. Nico Melli is the wrong Pelican. I'd have taken a Jackson Hayes. All right, let's see what we got here. Enes Kanter. Rondo. Still weird to see him in that Lakers uniform. Evan Fournier. We got some green. Scottie Pippen, Hall of Fame. I think I have this one. Scottie Pippen, Hall of Fame. We have a Jam Masters. Tracy McGrady, Jam Masters. Really nice. Really nice. And LeBron James, MVPs. Nice. Nice. Always good when we can hit some Bron. Nice. Let's keep it going. Oh, still have a pack in here. All right. All right. Also the wrong Pelican, Drew Holiday. We got a Mosaic coming up. Silver Mosaic, Terrence Ferguson. Pascal Siakam. Let's save it to the end. Isaiah Roby. I'm hitting a ton of him. Pascal Siakam, will to win. Will to win, Pascal Siakam. And Wendell Carter Jr., silver mosaic. Let's go. Let's keep it going. All right. You guys see here. Let's see what we got. Let's put that pink right there. And all right, let's get it going. Happy so far with some of the inserts. Some of the inserts, that Luka base. Well, you guys know what we're looking for. All right, Duncan Robinson, having a good year. Will Barton, got a silver mosaic. CJ McCollum. Terry Rozier, Scary Terry. Looks like an insert, silver mosaic. Let's get to it. And it's an old school Larry Bird. Nice. Old school Larry Bird. Trolled me for a second because it was upside down, so I wasn't sure. But definitely something I like. That'll go into my PC. I really like that. And Darius Baisley, rookie. All right. Very nice. Still got one more. I always forget there's 2 packs in these things. Always forget. All right. So we got Marcus Smart. Got some color in here. Colin Sexton. The young bull, Kyle Lowry. And who do we got? Jeremy Lamb. All right. Got game Kawhi. And Kevin Durant, Team USA. Nice. I get a little bit excited more than most for those Team USAs and the old schools and stuff like that. I'm putting them together. I'm gonna try to see if I could put some of the sets together. I never really do it. Never really put some of the sets together, but I'm definitely interested in those. They did pique my interest. I really like them. So let's see what we can get going. Another Wendell Carter Jr. I got a silver in here. TJ Warren. Lou Williams. Rudy Gay. And silver DJ Augustine. All right. Taco Fall base. I got a lot of his NBA debut, but not the base. So there it is. All right. Silver is probably the best thing out of the 2-pack we're going to hit. Chris Paul. Got some color back there. Looks like an insert. Alfred Payton. Zach Collins. Hopefully we're going to see if Zach Collins comes back real healthy and effective. Nurkic for this playoff push that's happening, I guess, on the 22nd of July. It's going to be super fun. There we go. DeAndre Hunter Green. Very nice. Got a Jam Masters, Clyde Drexler. And Cameron Johnson, NBA debut. Nice. All right. DeAndre Hunter, I think, is very undervalued right now in the NBA. Again, that's my opinion. I think that he's going to be... I don't think he's going to be, top 50 or anything like that. We're not talking about him like he's Zion right now, but, I mean, the kid could play. The kid could play. All right. Let's see what we got going here. Let's get some heat. James Harden. Jokic. Andrew Wiggins. And Landry Shamet. Got game. Trae Young. Nice on the insert. Another Scottie Pippen. How much Scottie Pippen am I going to hit? Let's go. Oh, hold on. Got another pack. See, I'm telling you guys, I always forget. All right. Devin Booker. That's the first Devin Booker I hit, too. Malcolm Brogdon. Got Juan Holmes. Zach LaVine. Old school. Daryl Dawkins. Again, always hit Daryl Dawkins. And Grant Williams. Nice. Keep it going. right, it only takes one. Only takes one. Let's go. Second half. All right. Justice Winslow. Got an orange back there, I think. Jordan Clarkson. Really loving those Jazz jerseys they put in here. Markelle Fultz. I think it's an insert. Kemba Walker. Sure is. Will to win. Steph Curry. Nice. Will to win. Steph Curry. And Tremont Waters. That's the Celtics break. Taco Fall, Tremont Waters, Grant Williams. This is the Celtics break. That Larry Bird too. Silver. Definitely a Celtics break. Domantas Sabonis. Okogie. Josh Okogie. Bruce Brown. And Patrick Beverly. I had a green of him earlier this week. I did not think it was him. I was super excited, but we'll take it. Got game. Joel Embiid. And PJ Washington. Nice. I had a nice silver mosaic of him earlier also out of a blaster. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right. Let's keep it going. I think we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're halfway through. Halfway through this box. We still got all the pinks at the end, guys. So, like I said, still have high hopes. Very, very nice. We can get something in these, though. Let's see. Miles Turner. Danilo Gallinari. Looks like we got a Jam Masters insert coming. Chris Middleton. And Bradley Beal. Jam Masters. Spud Webb. Real cool. Real cool. I like that. Jam Masters Spud Webb. And Zion, baby. Let's go. NBA debut, Zion Williamson. It's not the base or the silvers or stuff that we're looking for, but we will definitely take that. Very happy to see that. I like that. I am also looking for a Ja Morant base rookie. The one with the, I think he's in a greenish turquoise jersey. I really like that one. Those Memphis jerseys, old school. Really like those. Let's go ahead and put him here. Yeah, the only thing I've hit from Ja is what you see in the back, that NBA debut Ja, but that's about it. Have obviously some base and stuff of him and other rookies, but other product, but not this. Daniel House Jr. Malik Monk. Got a silver coming up. Glenn Robinson III. It's a rookie. Tim Hardaway Jr. Silver rookie. And it is Jordan Poole, NBA debut. I think I have a silver rookie of him regular as well. And Brandon Clark. Wrong Grizzly. Oh, we were just talking about that. We'll take it. Brandon Clark's a volume player. He can play. If I like his game, we will take that. That's the first time I've seen him in this product as well. As far as base goes, I think I have a few NBA debuts from him. Right. Let's go ahead and put that pink. Right, let's do this. And double check. There's a little bit of a, sometimes I get those, a little bit of a dimple right there in between the lines. Every now and then those come up in these. They were just rushing this product out, I think. With the whole quarantine and everything that happened, they were like, let's get this stuff out. Let's print and go. DeMar DeRozan. Jamal Murray. Draymond Green. Pretty sure it's an insert. Joe Harris, green. We've hit this a few times for the Brooklyn. Will to win, Paul George. And Larry Bird again. Telling you guys, these Celtics. All right. Buddy Hield. Josh Hart. Also wrong Pelican. Dwight Howard. First time I've seen him. Looks funny being back in a Lakers jersey. Looks funny with that hair. Derek White. And give and go. Jimmy Butler. DeAndre Hunter. Here we go. Base. Nice. So we'll switch that to the Hawks and Celtics break. Let's keep it going. Four more. Four more. We got our pinks. Put that there. And you know what? I think we got some room so you guys can see how many we're actually stacking here. All right. Let's get this going. It's a Pelicans break too, just not the great Pelicans break. Lonzo. PJ Tucker. DeAndre Bibry. And DeJounte Murray. Green. Got game, Paul George again. And Hall of Fame, Charles Barkley. Nice. All right, we're definitely going to need some good luck, some of that mojo coming up because we got, what, 3 packs left? Paul Millsap. DeAndre Ayton. Marcus Morris. Kyle Kuzma hit a nice silver of him in a previous video. Nice. Old school Pete Maravich. Again, another Celtic. I'm telling you guys. Roy Hachimura. There you go. Really digging that. I'm a big fan at PC right now. A lot of his stuff. Not a silver or variant or anything like that. But I will take it. I will take it. Really like that. And here. All right, let's keep it going. 3 packs left. Get Pete off to the side. All right. Drink that. See what we get. And Nick Batum. These cards are just really nice to me. Jerseys, thickness of the cards, everything's really nice about this product. I really like Mosaic. So we got an insert in the back. Goran Dragic. Marvin Bagley. Markieff Morris. And Jam Masters, who's this? Sean Kemp. Jam Masters, Sean Kemp. Very nice. And Talon Horton Tucker. I haven't seen a lot of Horton Tucker's games or anything like that, but I've heard a few people talk about he does really well. He does really well, he's balling, so it might be something to hold on to for the future. I'm sure you could get him extremely cheap right now. People are even keeping them. But I like to keep all rookie cards. You never know. No one was holding on to a ton of Kawhi stuff when he was first coming up. So you just never know. And we actually missed a pack. We missed a pack in the last one, so I do have that. So I'll do it right here. So we'll have 3 before the next CeeLo. Jeremy Grant. Uh-oh. Got some blue back there. Ben Simmons. De'Aaron Fox. Here we go. Joe Harris. And this is going to be numbered. Very nice. Very, very nice. It's the first numbered, I believe, out of this product I have. We'll put that right there. Will to win and Steph Curry, Team USA. Nice. So let's go ahead and check out what this is numbered to. And this is, wow, to 15. Very nice. Be great if it wasn't Joe Harris, if it was a rookie or something, but for me, I'll take it. I will take that. Very happy with that. Go ahead and get him at the very minimum into a sleeve right now. I'll top load later. So yes, very nice. Very nice, good hit. All right, so still 2 more packs and we'll break that last CeeLo. What do we have here? Probably Portis. Now, I know you guys see the black back there, but now. Russell Westbrook. So what I'm saying no to is I don't think it's a Genesis that some people are pulling. I haven't pulled any personally. KZ. Let's put him here. I want to say it's an insert. Could be getting badly trolled here. Yeah, it is an insert. I see the green. KD. And give and go. Kyrie. So back-to-back Nets. Nice. All right. I think we have one more pack here, and we'll get into that last CeeLo. And then from there, we'll jump into the pinks. See what we get. Derek Favors. Got a silver Mosaic coming up. Clint Capella. Devontae Graham. Jeff Teague, silver Mosaic. I think this is a rookie debut after this. Tim Duncan, old school. We've hit this a few times. And Jarrett Culver. All right. We got some nice Jarrett Culver stuff coming out of here. All right. Bobby Portis. All right. Let's see. Haven't seen any Ja. No NBA debut. No NBA debut insert. No nothing like that. So hopefully we get something. I'm telling you, I've opened a lot of Mosaics so far. What I think to be a lot of Mosaics so far. All right, Josh Richardson. Got a silver Mosaic coming up. John Collins. Spencer Dinwiddie. And Zion Williamson. Silver Mosaic. Woo! Big hit. Big hit. You guys see we got one in the mag back there. Just hit one again in the last pack. Wow. Let's put that down right there. That is the last pack. You know what we got to do. One touch that. I know I see some people top load them. How people protect their cards is on them. You know, it's different ways of how they like to do it. If I'm hitting a card that I see last posted for, you know, $200-300, whatever it is, right? I know I've seen some of these comps on eBay and the solds at $600-700, right? 800, and that's not even graded, right? So graded, they're going to be going for more. What's a $2.50 investment into protecting your card, right? That's just the way I see it. But some people, you know, they just don't want to do it. They save it for what they think are bigger hits or autographs and stuff like that. But this is flawless. Centering is great, and I'll show it to you guys right now. Centering is fantastic on this card. No scratches. And it seems to be in perfect condition. That's awesome. Sorry about the radio silence, guys. All right. So, Ja, get in the back, Ja. Gonna have to take a back seat to another silver Mosaic Zion. Nice, in the last pack. The last cello. It's great. It's fantastic. Let's keep it going. Will to Win and Nicola Melli. So this is the Pelicans break. There was the Jackson Hayes and a few other silver mosaics, I think. Some regular silvers that popped out of there. Let's go. Let's keep it going. It's probably the best thing we're going to hit, but let's keep it going. Got that Joe Harris of 15, too. Very excited. Bam Adebayo. Paul George. Montrezl Harrell. Jay Crowder. And James Harden. Give and go. You guys see who that is back there. There you go. Another PJ. Let's go ahead and sleeve that PJ. And we still got our pinks. We still got all of our pinks. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's go. All right. So how many we got? Let's get something good. But you guys see I'm not lying. Not one Ja Morant NBA debut or anything like that. I love his base. But again, nothing so far. DeJounte Murray, Isaiah Thomas, and Jackson Hayes, NBA debut. Nice. Nice. I'm telling you guys, the Pelicans break. Breaks that I'm going to be doing are going to be coming very soon. Right now, I'm enjoying opening them myself for me, right? I'm having fun doing it, getting some good stuff personally. So right now I'm just doing it for me, but I will be doing breaks in the near future. I have some boxes coming in, so I'll be posting that at my Instagram. So you guys make sure you look out for that. Kyle Kuzma, very nice. Jonathan Isaac. And Darius Baisley. At least the rookies are coming in. All right. We got a Klay Thompson, Will Barton, and Lucas Seminic. Could be pronouncing that totally off. He can play, though. He can play. I say that in every video, every time I pull him, because I watch so many videos. I see so much stuff on Instagram where people bash him. They like, wrong Luka. And it is the wrong Luka, but he can play. Chris Middleton, Ricky Rubio, and KD. KD, Team USA pink. Very nice. All right, let's keep it going. We got Blake Griffin, Marcus Smart, and Magic Johnson, Team USA, pink mosaic. Very nice. Let's go into the PC. What I haven't hit either is I've been dying to hit is one of the KG old schools. I'm a huge KG fan, and I have not hit anything of him. Mike Conley. I really thought that'd be working out a better situation for the Jazz, but I mean, he just hasn't been on this year. Grayson Allen, and we got a rookie, and Nicola Melli. Oh my God! I promise you two things: one, that it's the Pelicans break, and two, that I can't get away from Nicola Melli. I can't. Jesus, this whole box. Let's go. Let's see what else we get. All right. Bogdanovich. Enes Kanter. And got a rookie. Cam Reddish. Very nice. I don't think I have a base out of him either. I think I have another NBA debut thing out of him, but I don't think I have a base. But I will take that. Let's go ahead and sleeve that really quick. All right, nice. Cam Reddish. I think he's gonna get a lot of open shots over there on the Hawks with Trae Young. Let's go DeLon Wright, Colin Sexton, and Kai Bowman. Very nice. Kai Bowman. Warriors are just stacking rookies right now. And have a good draft too, depending on where they want to go. I know they didn't get invited to the tournament at Disney World. Let's see any rookies. Yo, it looks like we got one. Terrence Ross, George Hill, and oh no, it was a Giannis. Giannis pink MVP's insert. Nice. Really, really nice. I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and sleeve that. All right. I hope you guys made it this far along into the video. Like I said, me not saying it because I'm recording right now or anything like that. I like to stay to the end of people's videos. You just never know. Last pack, Zion Silver Mosaic. I mean, the video couldn't have been scripted any better. It could have been scripted a little bit better with that radio silence that I had in a second while I was counting the packs. But, I mean, other than that, D'Angelo Russell, Rajon Rondo, and Cameron Johnson. Pink. Nice. Very, very nice. Let's keep going. Last two. Last two. Come on, Ja. Let's see something Ja Morant. All right. Caldwell Pope. Daniel House Jr. And Hall of Fame Pete Maravich. Really nice card for me. I like it. I definitely like it. It probably doesn't sell for a lot, so it's definitely going into the PC. I really like this. Wow, very nice. Go ahead and sleeve that up for me. And like we said, here comes a last pack. Let's hit that last pack mojo again. You guys give me the good vibes. Let's see what I get. All right. All right. Jaren Jackson Jr., second year. Trae Young. Very nice. Trae Young. And it is a rookie. It is a rookie. Nasir Little. Nice. Another rookie that I think got some real game. And I'm keeping a lot of his stuff right now. It's low. A lot of Nasir Little stuff is low right now. It shouldn't be, but I like it. And I'll scoop up some stuff that I like while it's still low. See if he can have a breakout. Let's see if he can contribute to this Blazers run. That's what we're going to see. Blazers are going to have a chance to go ahead and get into the playoffs. July 22nd, I believe, or something like that, when the NBA comes back to Disney World. So we're going to see. All in all, guys, we got some pretty good stuff. Like I said, we got that silver Mosaic. Got that Joe Harris to 15. Move these up. That Zion right there. Nasir Little. A couple Nasir Littles. We definitely got some nice rookie lots there. Giannis, MVP's pink, Cam Reddish, pink, and got a few other things that I just, obviously that Brandon Clark, and there's some other stuff, DeAndre Hunter green. Let me actually go ahead and, I just saw it right now. Let me go ahead and sleeve that. But yeah, I mean, we definitely hit some stuff. Very happy with it. I was getting nervous toward the ends of that box. I really was. But yeah, man, like I said, go ahead. If you liked the video, if you didn't like the video, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and smash the like button. Don't press it. Smash it. We'll be back with another video as soon as we can. Like I said, some more products becoming available. Things are getting a little bit more open and loosening up for us. But yeah, other than that, catch you guys in the next video. Follow us at Average Joe Cards. See you next time.